Hello, music lovers. Today, we're diving into a blast from the past with a modern twist. The LHYTHY Home Portable Retro CD Player. This isn't just your grandma's CD player. It's a feature-packed device designed for today's audiophile. First impressions? The retro wooden design is gorgeous. It's a real statement piece that blends seamlessly with any home decor. The rose gold hardware adds a touch of elegance, making it a perfect gift for, well, anyone who appreciates good music and good design. But it's not just about looks. This CD player is loaded with features. Of course, it plays CDs. CD, CDR, CDRW, VCD, DVD formats are all supported, along with WAV and MP3. But also boasts Bluetooth 5.4, acting as both a receiver and a transmitter. This means you can stream music from your phone to the player, or transmit audio from CDs to your Bluetooth headphones or speakers. The inclusion of a display screen is a welcome addition, providing clear information on the current mode and playback status. The LHYTHY CD player also supports USB music playback, a UX input-output, and even has a headphone jack for private listening. It's a truly versatile device that covers all the bases. One of the standout features is the built-in 3,600 milliamperes rechargeable battery. This makes it truly portable. You can take it to the park, the beach, or anywhere you want to enjoy your music without being tethered to a power outlet. The battery life is impressive, offering 3 to 5 hours of CD playback at maximum volume, and even longer, 8 to 10 hours in Bluetooth mode. Now let's talk about sound quality. The LHYTHY CD player features 2 high-power full-range speakers. The sound is surprisingly rich and detailed, with a 360-degree surround effect, powerful bass, and clear treble. It's definitely a step up from your average portable CD player. And if you want even more oomph, you can easily connect it to external speakers via Bluetooth or the 3.5mm audio output. Another cool feature is the ability to copy CD songs to a USB disc. This is a great way to digitize your CD collection and take your favorite tunes with you on the go. The LHYTHY Home Portable Retro CD Player is more than just a CD player. It's a complete audio solution. It combines retro aesthetics with modern functionality, making it a perfect addition to any home. Whether you're a CD enthusiast, a language learner, or simply looking for a stylish and versatile audio device, this CD player is definitely worth considering. It's great for prenatal education, early education, or just enjoying your favorite tunes and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.